definitely where a lot of the big heavy hitters come out to play. Uh-oh, big turbo, X3. Don't know what's done in that Maverick car. And then Trevor's. Got him, got him. Look who we got, guys. We got freaking Vern from RSK. We got freaking Richard Hale from Halespeed. We got Ren over here. I even saw freaking Jared over there, Jared Sessions. My name's Jonathan. Welcome back to Offroad Diaries, guys. Chris will be with us later on today. But for now, we're gonna have a freaking great day. Trevor from Invasion's coming. It's just an all-around freaking awesome day. So we're gonna let these guys get unloaded and we'll talk to them in a second. There we go. Trevor's finally here. Ren is airing up his tires. I need to go find Jared for a second because he's over here making noise.
Wait, since I just had to throw this clutch on for today, so I just had to make a spring change.
Nice. This guy's Jared Sessions. If you don't know who he is, he's the most badass, amazing driver in the universe outside of me. This car is fast. It's the bikeman car. He does all their R&D for him, guys. If you never seen any of our videos or Dallin's video of a desert side by side, really cool guy. All right, that was Jared. Like I said, man, he's got a fast freaking car. Like, his car is not slow at all. Honestly, all of the people in this crew are pretty freaking fast. So I am so pumped to go out today. It is freaking 70 degrees. I gotta take this freaking thing off because it's so freaking hot right now. This is Ren's car. Was formerly the Ibex car. I guess they're kind of their demo car. And then Ren got a hold of it. He had a boosted 900 and I think it was time for him to upgrade. Nice car. What's up, bro? I heard it's your birthday.
Good.
Is it your birthday?
Yes.
Happy birthday, dude.
Yeah.
Oh, Monday. You can't cheat. How old are you gonna be? 11 years old.
Yeah.
You remember that last video, guys? We had a 10-year-old that was
12,
walking with us.
apparently.
You're gonna be 12. Dude, you need to learn your age, man. That's okay. I don't remember how old I am half the time.
Neither do I.
Yeah, exactly. Check out Vern's car. Well, this is really his wife's car, but it's a very clean Turbo S. Love this car. It looks so freaking good. Richard somehow is not driving his extremely fast turbo, or I guess XP turbo, right?
It's just a wife's car kind of weekend.
Yeah, that's right, man. Everybody but me for some reason. That's okay. We're still gonna go. You can never go wrong with the Turbo S, guys. Then we got Trevor here. What's up, bro? Look at this thing. This bad boy's fast. He done got some powder coating gun, guys. Look at that. Pretty little arms. Got a little sparkly sparkle. Nice. It's gonna be a fun day. There's a lot of fast cars here, guys. It's gonna be fun to watch them race up the hill. Let's freaking go, guys. I'm so freaking pumped right now. You have no idea. It's like, I've been with my Glamis crew and they're my buddies and I've been with them all freaking winter, but I'm back home. We're back home with our up north crew. And it just feels good, guys. Like, I wish I could explain how amazing St. Anthony's is. Anyways, it's time to go. I hope you're ready. It's about to happen. It is freaking huge and it's steep. So this is definitely where a lot of the big heavy hitters come out to play. We've got a lot of fast cars with us right now, so I'm sure we'll see some action in a second. Got Jared with his car. Trevor was P47 Evo Can-Am. Ran over there. He's got the Ibex kit on his car. I really like his wrap. Anyways, guys, this is where everybody comes to race and have fun. So I think Trevor's gonna let one of his friends.
He's my insurance agent.
Is it?
So if anybody can wreck it, at least it's my insurance guy.
Oh, that's your insurance guy. Yeah. Even better. That's probably the best guy, or the worst, I'm not sure, to be driving your car. Oh, then we got someone side road. You guys may not realize it, but that hill is very fast, or excuse me, that hill is very tall and steep. So if that car made it up there that fast and this fast. Vern, what do you think? Are you having fun?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. You having fun?
Absolutely.
That's right. We're all having fun. I'm gonna drink some water, hydrate, and then we'll be back after these messages. Uh-oh. Big turbo X3. Don't know what's done in that Maverick car. And then Trevor's. Wow. Still pulling up on him at the end. Oh, that X3's kind of fast. She not using four-wheel drive?
One of the two.
Sometimes confidence only pull you so far up a hill, bro. You know what I mean?
How you get scared of each other?
Oh, he's giving him the dick. He's literally gonna race him from behind. That would be funny. I'm gonna give you guys two. Oh, what's going on here? Oh, they're just straightening up. I'm the guy that hates it when people wait like 10 minutes just for the actual race to start, so I might edit some of this out. It took him like 17 minutes just to line up. Got him! Got him! There we go. What's done to the other one? You don't know?
Oh, the one to the right of his is just a tune and exhaust.
Oh, okay. It still does pretty good though. Shoots out of the hole well.
Yeah, it does.
This dude is a millionaire. You can brake boost this car as much as you want, okay?
Oh, millionaire.
Yeah.
He knows, he's my insurance guy. He knows my finances.
You know what's going on. You know he's got 6 trillion. You could solve
6 trillion.
the national deficit,
I cured
Trevor.
cancer once. I just
Oh my God. Okay, so we got Ibex car turned down, pretty much stock for the most part with just Ibex turbo kit. We've got another boosted Pro R. I'm not sure what's done in that one. And then we've got
It has a
Jared.
wing on it, by the way.
It does have, I kind of like the spoiler.
I do. I don't know. He started pulling up to the
I know
back.
that's boosted. Well, Jesus. Good God Almighty. If you guys ever see that 4-seater Pro R that says bikeman on the side of it, don't race. I repeat, do not race. You will get beat up. Not bad for a stock Pro R. Headed to Devils, making a loop and headed back to go grab Krista Baby Miles, and then we got other stuff to do. It's gonna be a whole day of adventures. But this video is probably gonna be broken in 2 parts. So, had a lot of fun here. Yes, let's go to the next spot. Okay guys, so that's the end of this video. We came over to Trevor's house to have a nice barbecue. Had these things called smash burger tacos, which I thought would be nasty, but they were really freaking good.
They were so good. And Brianna made this, like, what is it, like a knockoff Big Mac sauce? Oh my God.
Yeah,
So
it was good. I don't even think it was knockoff. I think it was better than the original. But thank you, Trevor. We love you so much. And Brianna, and your awesome kiddos, and Rin, and your awesome son. We're going to end this video now, but we're not done riding. We're actually going to go back and we're going to go watch a little sunset and talk to you guys a little bit in the next video. So there'll be some more riding and some more stuff. But thank you so much for watching. Thank you to all our amazing sponsors. And we appreciate y'all. Hope you enjoyed this little St. Anthony's rip with some cool peeps. Lots more St. Anthony's coming up in the future. In the meantime, you have a good night or day or morning or whatever it is before this video ends. And we will see you on the next one. Bye.